Kylan, do you know what the golden rule is? Treat others how you want to be treated. Kylan, how do you want to be treated? I like to be treated nice. When I get hurt, I want people to help me. I don't like people who make fun of me. Oh, then we shouldn't make fun of people. And everybody else too, not just us. I know. If we want to follow the golden rule, we have to say good job to our friends that do something good. That's right! If one of your favorite friends wants to do something with you or wants to play a game with you, then you can say yes or no thank you. Oh, I get it. So what is the golden rule? Treat others how you want to be treated. So don't forget the golden rule. Thank you for